Good afternoon, Scouts. This is another episode of Gardening with Mr. Nick. We're going to plant and maybe grow a pineapple. So what you do is you get a pineapple and you cut it. And see the markings here? So you're going to cut it about one full marking down. Okay? Alright, then you're going to cut it so that you take off all of... Need more hands. Cut off all of this. Okay? When your pineapple looks like that, cut off a little bit of the bottom leaves and have the yellow, then you're going to need some dirt. Like that. Maybe without the dog. So then you just dig a little hole and you stick the thing in there and you push the dirt in. And just like our tomatoes, you water it and water it and water it, and it will grow. Just like our tomatoes. They just grow. Alright, but in a couple of years you'll end up with something that looks like... So this one I planted a couple of years ago. Is there a pineapple in there? I don't know. But it keeps growing. Good luck. Keep on scouting. Do your best.